Today, we'll show you how to install the new MadJax Passport Smart Key system in a club car Precedent, Tempo, or Onward. Before you begin installation, park the vehicle with the key off and removed from the ignition. Apply the parking brake and chock the wheels. Using a T10 Torx bit, remove the bolt on the top of the instrument panel. Next, use a T27 bit to remove the two lower bolts holding the panel in place. Remove the instrument panel and remove the two wires from the factory key switch. Using a multimeter, confirm battery voltage on the key switch connector and mark or make note of which is positive and which is negative, as some vehicles may have different wire colors. Now, disconnect the main battery negative. Now, disconnect any other connections and remove the instrument panel from the vehicle. Remove the key switch cover from the panel, then remove the nut securing the key switch with a 1-inch socket. Cut the plastic from the rear side of the panel around the key switch with a cutting wheel or box cutter. Next, using a step bit or 15/16 bit or hole saw, drill out the factory key switch hole to mount the start-stop switch. Remove the lock ring from the rear of the start-stop switch and insert it into the key switch hole. Secure the switch using a washer and lock ring. Now, locate the antenna ring and select a flat location to mount it using the supplied 3M tape. Clean the chosen surface, then peel the backing and firmly press the antenna to the surface. In our case, we mounted the ring around the state of charge meter for an aftermarket lithium battery. Attach the supplied butt connectors to the wires of the MadJax Passport control box. Next, cut the wires leading to the factory key switch connector and strip the ends. Attach the supplied butt connectors to the end of each wire. Now, connect the red wire to the positive key switch connection and the white wire to the negative key switch connection using the butt connectors. Attach the black wire to a vehicle ground of your choice. Now, install the MadJax Passport control box in the dash. Use zip ties or tape to secure it in the desired location. Plug the switch connector into the Passport control box. Lastly, reconnect the other electrical connections and reinstall the instrument panel using the T27 and T10 bits. Touch the key tag to the antenna and the start-stop button will flash. Press the button to start your vehicle and enjoy your MadJax Passport system.